Please be advised of the disclaimers.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Sai with Pinnacle Trading here. So today I want to take a look at natural gas. That's NG. If you don't know what natural gas is, this is it right here. You can head over to cnbc.com or any other website, click on the oil tab, and you can click on the nat gas or natural gas right over here. We're on the August 21st contract right now. But if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the like button. More videos like these coming up in the future, and click that bell button to stay updated. So when we look at natural gas, we want to look at the latest future chart on that one. So the latest future contract is going to be /NG, which is what we have right over here. So when we look at this, we can kind of see the overall chart. Today we had a bit of a run up on that one and a little bit of a pullback recently, finally, but it's just been running up and it's been on an insane upward movement, just mainly because of this shortage with the storage, which I'll show you in just a second on how to read that chart. But right now, today it's finally pulled back a little bit in the morning hours, a little bit in the pre-market, and once the report came out, it went down as well. So when I trade this, I don't trade the future directly itself. You can long and short it, but what I do is trade the ETFs or the ETNs on this one. We had UGAS and DGAS before, those were ETNs. So we have two ETFs on this one. BOIL is the bullish one, and we have KOLD, KOLD is the bearish one on natural gas. So when /NG goes up, when it's bullish, we see BOIL go up. Vice versa, we see KOLD go down. So we're trying to be bearish on this one because summer is in session right now. We're in the summertime, hot weather, so many people aren't really using the heaters and natural gas so much. So we usually see this go down. But even though we're having a heat wave and all of that go on right now, we're still seeing this go down. So I'm thinking it's a solid area to start buying. I already alerted that in the chat room, so if you are watching this video, you might be a little behind on the trade, but there might be another pullback to catch on this one, and we'll go over where we're looking for support resistance level so that, even if it's $1 or $2 that you missed out on, you can still play the big $10, $20 move. So on this, the support that I see on this one is going to be right here at that 20 level. So let's pull up the chart on this one and let's get rid of that. So we can see support right at the 20 level. So anytime we hit a whole dollar support, it's going to be a pretty big support or resistance level just because of human mentality of whole numbers. That's why when we see in businesses on sales, we see $19.97, not $20. We see $99.99, not $100. Just a mentality. Same goes into the trading psychology on this one, and I teach a lot of that in my course. But we're kind of seeing this very oversold on this one. We kind of see it come back just below 20. It dipped below 20 and came back up. So these candles right now are kind of formation reversal setups. Next resistance is going to be at the 9 EMA, which is a very important indicator I teach in my course and my other videos at 23.18. When we look at the zoomed in chart, the 30-day chart, we can already see that when it went below 20, people just loaded up like crazy. It immediately bounced back on a big green candle, and that's why I say whole dollar supports are very important. You want to watch those levels. Same thing with the resistance. When you see it come down, it's going to be the same way. So we can see the MACD curl back up, we can see the RSI curl back up, but I think there might be another pullback to test maybe 21, maybe mid 20s or so. So let's get into the Fibonacci chart, which is free to get in the chat room. I'll show you just a second how to get that. So when we look at the 30-day Fibonacci chart, we can see we have support right below 20. So let's call the whole dollar support 20 as a support level or a base foundation right now. So next resistance is going to be all the way up at 23.09. So I'm looking for this. You see this 22 every time it hit or broke, it just fell down. Every time it hits, pull back. Every time it hits, it tests it, pulls back. So the third time that it hits 22, I want to see that break and break over 23 to confirm the reversal breakout. We have a reversal right now. We already see a confirmation, but we want to look for a breakout, which means it's clear to go and run up. So that's where we look for a breakout at 23 area. And then we have next resistance at 25, 27, 28, 31, 34. But we can also look at 25, 30, 35, and so on. So it depends how you want to look at the resistance, but I look at the Fibonacci levels, and I also look at the regular charts. Look at the 9 EMA, I look at the 20 or 50 SMA, and I look at the 200 SMA. So that's how we can look at that. So if you want to grab the Fibonacci chart, chat room is free to join. Link is in description. Head over to the education tab, head to the pin tab, and you can see this right here, how to import the Fibonacci study set. And we also do have other alerts, like commodities alerts is a specific one right now. That's where I call out anything regarding natural gas, gold, oil, silver, etc. So I already alerted KOLD at, right below 20. So when it started coming down, I said entry at 20.5. This was on June 29th, so just a few days ago. This was on Tuesday, and then we added below 20 when it dipped at 19.6. Kind of caught it right up perfectly at the low on that one. Ordered, filled well, and then we see that we took a little bit of profit. And if you're holding overnight, taking profit over 22. But if you're still in that trade, you can still look to hold on to that swing trade and maybe add on the pullback zone, which is going to be 20 to 22. Anywhere between there, that's where I'm going to be adding on to this trade. I'm looking for profit at least 24, 25. And we'll see how it goes on from there, but I want to see the breakout over 22 and then test to 24, 25 to take more profits on that one. But if it pulls back to 20 area, 20 to 22, that's going to be my load up zone every 50 cents. So hope this video helped you out. Also have a huge discount on the course right now, which I'll go into in just a second. But if you want to read natural gas reports, it comes out every Thursday, 10:30 a.m. Eastern time. Just Google natural gas report. It's going to be one of the first ones, EIA.gov. This is where we see. So the net change is going to be the BCF, which is billion cubic feet. That's how much storage they have, and the implied flow. So the net change, the implied flow is going to be what they're looking for. It's like the expected. The net change is going to be the actual one. And then it summarizes within just 2-3 sentences what it actually means. You can also look at the previous chart. So when we look at the natural gas chart, which is /NG, we'll click that over here. And we go into the yearly chart, we can kind of see that anytime we head into the summer months or the summer times, like June, July, that's where we kind of see a drop right here, May, June, July, and we're not seeing that right now. So that's why I say that it's a good time to start loading up on the bearish side and look for this to continue down, pull back, sell off on natural gas, because it's very, very overbought right now. We're heading into the heat wave and the hot summer months. So that's why I see a solid opportunity on this one. And we're also seeing a confirmation of a pullback on natural gas. And then when we get into KOLD, that's where we see the reversal setup formation on this one, and huge volume coming in as well. So a lot of people loading up on this one. So hope this video helped you out. We have the huge course sale that's going on right now. Normal price at $397, but only $249 right now. So if you want to learn how to take these setups that I'm teaching you, a lot of these terms and technology charts that I'm using might be a little bit confusing to understand. But if you want to understand, from the basis, build a solid foundation, have the stock market education, and go into trading and investing, and some of my secrets to you so you can cut your learning curve, grab my course. It's on sale right now. Normal price $397, but 40% off, only $249, and that sale ends Monday. So just last only a couple days for this sale. So make sure to grab that before end of the coming Monday, which is going to be July 5th. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I want to see your comments below what you think of natural gas, and also make sure to join the chat room so you can get the live trade ideas whenever I send them out, and be updated on all the trades. So hope you all have a great July 4th weekend. Make sure to subscribe, click that like button, and I'll see you in my next video.